Let's learn about analyzing bank balances with absolute value. John has negative $40 in his bank account, and Mary has negative $25. Which account has a larger balance? Use absolute values to compare. Let's talk about John first. If we take the absolute value of his account, negative 40, absolute value of a negative number is the distance from 0, so that's a positive 40 right here. So absolute value negative 40 is a positive 40. What about Mary? Well, absolute value of negative 25, distance from 0 is a positive 25. What does this mean? Well, 40 is greater than 25. We know that. But this is referring to their debt. So John is more in debt with the negative $25 than Mary is, right? So John is more in debt than Mary. So that's what we're talking about here when we take the absolute value, right? And both were negatives. We're talking about they're in debt $40 and $25. But in this case, Mary has a larger balance in a sense, right? Because she is less in debt than John. John is more negative right there. So his account balance is much smaller. They're both going to be negative, right? It's more negative, so he owes more in debt. Well, Mary owes less in debt, so there we have that. I hope you learned something here about analyzing bank balances with absolute value. And as always, thanks for watching.